Hey Team Firsties! Now, if you saw our first YouTube video, you know that I'm in Canvas right now, and I clicked where it said Lamb Homeroom. This is where everything will be for you guys. This should be the first page you see, welcoming you to our digital learning page. Anything that is blue is clickable. When it's time to have specials, you can click on the specials link here. It's not ready yet, but almost. Wait till tomorrow. And then if you go with Ms. Haynes or Ms. Dixon or Ms. Reitmeyer, you'll have access to this link here. Nobody else can click those but you. Now, as we're getting ready to prepare for our first day of online learning, you'll come to announcements. And you'll see that in announcements, there's one that has a blue dot. That means it's new. If you click into for assignments for March 23rd, that's Monday, that's today now, it'll have a message for you saying welcome. And as you scroll through the screen, you can see it goes in the order of our normal day. Here's our story for the day. And here's a question I'm asking you about the story. Now notice the question I typed in red so you can see it. But also, if you click this little link right here,
do you think the king makes a good decision not to invite the 13th fairy? Why or why not? Put your answer in the comments down below.
It will read the question out loud to you, and it gives you the direction to come to the comments down below. At the very bottom, there's a space where you can comment, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. And that's where you will type your response to this question. Now, as we continue, just like a normal day, after our story, we go to specials and we come back and we do writing. Well, writing is going to look a little bit different. For fairy tales, we're going to click this blue link right here that says discussion, and it'll take you to where we would normally write notes about what we're reading. And here you have a video where you can do the notes with me. Now, if you have not already gone, you'll see it'll tell you, but we'll work through the student pages. Another blue link. If you click it, it will take you to the resources for your student pages, which are right here. Now, if you can print those out, please do. If not, it works just fine on paper. And it will pop up a PDF of the pages. Now, this page here, if you give it just one moment, is what we'll be working on today, day one. Now, if someone is printing them for you, you're going to need 6 of this one page because we're going to do this for every story we read. Okay? Now, if you go back into, that beach ball, we can go back to our announcement, which was our assignment that we're working on for the day. Everything is here for you. And like I said, if it's blue, you can click it. Now, we've read our story. We've taken our notes. Now it's time for skills. And you'll see a little video here where we're reviewing sounds and then directions for which cat pages to use. It also gives you a link, directions that if you can, your may do, guys, your can do, your may do is going to be the yard sale, page 11.4. And that's also under ELA resources, which can be found at this link, or you can go to pages. Now, normally this is the part of the day, if you're going through a normal day, where we'll have stations and we will go to lunch and we'll go to recess, we'll take a break, and we'll come back and have snack, which you can, I hope you're still having that at some point in time. You come back and do math. I have a warm-up for you here, and then there are directions to get the pages out of your black folder. And here we have, you can either download the PowerPoint, or I've actually placed a video in here of me working through the application problem and problem set with you. Now, this is normally the part where we end our day. You want to come back and take a break. If you want to take a break, that's fine. Or you can keep going through it and go and do your homework. If you need help, our math blogger friend from YouTube is here to guide you through the homework portion of your day. Now, as I said, when it's time to come to the discussion down here, you click reply and you can type me a message. Or if you click this button right here that looks like a triangle inside of a rectangle-y shape, it gives you an option to record your response. And here You can record your answers to the questions and you can give them to me that way. Just make sure that before you start recording, you actually click start recording. It will then count down for you to let you know that you're being recorded. And this is a way for you to answer the questions if writing them out or typing them out is not something that we're doing yet. Once you're finished, it's going to save itself. And then it'll put your answer, your response will populate into the discussion right here. And I'll be able to see what you said, but only if you click this blue link that says post or reply. And now you've responded to our questions of the day, or any questions you have really. You can also ask questions in the discussion. Now, if you click on this link directly, there'll be some extra things that pop up, okay? What you're worried about is fairy tales right here. And you can also leave comments in the same way down here, replying to comments. It says that same icon for you. Everything is available here to you too. Now, parents, I know I mentioned this before, but if we go into pages, I've changed it a little bit, and when you click View All Pages, where you would go to see your ELA resources, your digital resources, and your math resources, if you click into Digital Resources, everything is now a clickable link with additional activities and information for you. And I hope this has been helpful, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Remember, like I said, it's going to be right here under assignments for the day. And every morning, every day at 7 o'clock, a new assignment, a new announcement will post telling you what to do for the day. Okay? All right, well, I'll see y'all later.